Why do gays dramatically exist even though they don't get pregnant? Why do gays dramatically exist even though they don't get pregnant?
Ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, what I would like to make a point at within this question is that every opinion is actually given the respect that it deserves. Whatever I give an answer to you tonight might be correct for you or not for me, or might be correct for me or not for you, but whenever I will come out from my mouth, I hope everyone will respect it. Why do I think that they actually dramatically exist, even though we are actually not getting pregnant? I don't want to be too technical on that, but scientifically, ladies and gentlemen, we do one professor based on Francis actually research for that. You see, ladies and gentlemen, that every person has an X and Y chromosomes, and this chromosome is actually the business and morality, but what I would like to say is that every person has its own purpose, and it is actually wrong to your genes. It is actually genetic and God created you that way. And I do believe that there is nothing wrong with that. Why do I say so? Because God created you as gay. God say that you were married as gay. But however may happen, your existence will definitely serve a purpose. Whether you are as gay or not, your existence actually serves each and everyone's existence as well. You see, ladies and gentlemen, that genetics plays an important role in our society. And I think that my homosexuality, my bisexuality, my transsexuality, I think that this is in my genes. Nothing wrong with that. It's like that as once said. I'm really going my way. God makes no mistake. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. You see, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how I was until he answered me, because I know that this comes from my heart. I take it to my mind. And if that answer is an answer not according to you, not according to this,